What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, I am putting back my wheels right now. I just came back from powder coating, got my brakes done. Today we are gonna be mounting our new wheels for the WRX. This is one of our sponsors. They hooked it up with these wheels, which I'm gonna show you in a bit as soon as I'm done doing this. I'm gonna get these, show you guys wheels, get the tires mounted, and then I'm gonna showcase this Sunday at our car show. So see you guys in a bit. I need a knife. You have a knife? How's this company's name? All right, guys, so I have here 1552's company. They sent us the wheels, Tarmac EVO 18 by 8.5, 35 offset. So you guys know we'll be running a 9.5 with a 38. So this is gonna be 1 inch less aggressive, but I'm gonna be running an inch spacer, the Aero full spacers. And tire size, we're gonna do a 235, 40, 18. So let's check these out real quick. I got it in white because, you know, I've been talking about getting a set of white wheels, so these will be perfect actually. 18.5, super nice box. Okay, opened the wrong way, but you know, it's okay. Damn, it looks really good already. Put this down. Damn, very nice packaging. Weighs about, I don't know, maybe like 20 something pounds. Feels like 20 something pounds. But wow, they're so white. I love it. Oh, here it is, guys. Check it out. Damn, so these are the Tarmac Evos with the center cap look. Here's another set of white Volk Racing T37, our friend Steven's car. Show example of white on white, you know. He has this ceramic coated, which we don't have ours at the moment. But let's check it out real quick. So this center lock piece will come off. Very nice. And then I believe you go from the bottom. I don't want to damage it, so let me do it here. This piece is supposed to come off like so. There you go. So whoa. I assume this is a universal fit for 5x100 and 114. So very nice with the cover, it's like that. So our videographer is gonna get these mounted right now, and we're gonna see how it looks on our WRX. By the way, owner of Elite Wraps, he really like these wheels. How do you feel about them?
They're gonna look sick as.
They're
gonna look sick as on the WRX.
Sorry, no language.
Oh, they're gonna look sick on the wheels on the car.
This guy's been here for a long day. He needs some sleep. But anyways, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Currently on the way to get the tires mounted. Tires are in the back, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. He's currently mounting the tires. Two of them are already done. We still have one left in the box. I don't know, what do you guys think? Think these will look good on the WRX? A little trash, we could just toss it in the car. Just got the tires mounted and balanced, the wheels balanced, and I'm headed back to Elite Wraps right now, so I'll catch you guys back there. Let's see how the new wheels look on the WRX.
All right, guys, here it is. Tires are mounted. These are 8.5. So if you're running on a stock suspension, slightly lowered, you're good to go. But since we're so slammed on our car, I'm putting a 1 inch spacer on the car, which I already did already. And by the way, if you're torquing these down, make sure you put at 85 pounds per each, okay? Or else you're gonna break these studs. So anyways, I am excited to see how this looks. I'm gonna put these hub rings right here. That's off my raise. And then I'll put it inside here. Oh, these are 235/40s on 8.5. So not that much stretch, almost like flush. So let me take this off first. Oh shit. I know I said I'm not gonna do any more wheel videos, but you know, these white ones, man, I've been waiting for a long time to see how it looks like. Let's get the shit out of here. Oh, before we gotta take these off to make sure it gets secured on properly. I should have got these ceramic coated instead, but you know, we're kind of on a time crunch. Let's see how these bad boys go. Look at that. So with the 1-inch spacer, as you can see, it's definitely more flush now without the spacer. Like I said, without spacers, you can run these 8.5s, no problem, okay? You can do a 255. I would do 255, but since I want a little stretch look, this is the size I'm going for right now. Damn, so precise. There you go. All right, ready? Slow mo. Okay. So. All right, guys, I am torquing the wheels right now. 85 pounds per side. I love how these go like this. I'm just like kind of obsessed with them right now. Gives it that really one center lock look, but as you can see, it fit kind of scary already. Oh, man, I don't know if it's gonna clear. I really don't think it's gonna clear.
Might have to take out the spacer.
Nah, we're gonna go. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. The minute we lower, we're gonna find out. So, oh. I'm gonna rub, you mean? All right, guys, here it is. Holy, I'm deaf. Yo, I don't know if I can even drive like this. Eduardo, look at that fitment. Eduardo, look at that fitment right here. Can we get everyone's response here at Elite Wraps?
No, you should be fine. Just not in the
What do you think?
sun.
Hey, Jesus, what do you think, man?
I think it's an L, dude.
Huh?
I think it's an L.
You're not feeling it?
What
What do you think it's an L? But I think it looks pretty sick.
Oh, it looks good, but then after you go from
Okay, so what if I
bumps, you're done.
what if I take off the spacer, 1 inch? Because I have a 1 inch spacer right now. Huh? Well, anyways, here's a. I don't know yet. I haven't done the other side yet, but let me take a better look. You know what? That shit looks pretty hard. No,
Fuck it, we keep it like that.
I don't know if we're gonna keep it like that because I think one bump is game over.
What about the fender comes off?
Yeah, probably a fender will come off, guys. So as you know, 8.5 with the 1 inch spacer will most likely not work. The fronts, yeah, it's definitely pushing it. So we're gonna run the other side without the spacers and see how it looks. So, man, it looks good though, right? Yeah. All right, guys. So 9.5, okay, with a 30 offset. No rubbing, nothing, perfect. Like I said, it really depends how you want to run the setup. I think if I don't rub on this side, this fitment's pretty nice. This is more like a rally spec. You know, like I'm about to take it to the mountains like tomorrow, you know. On this side, I'm like JDM boy, you know, stance, but perfect stance. So let me know which one you guys like. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, EVO TARMIC on no spacers. So we'll get a feel. If it looks too sunken without the spacers, I'm gonna go all out and drive it with the spacers on. And possibly break these. But we're gonna find out. This is why it's called test fitment. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, so I have the other side on, no spacers. You can definitely drive this Sunday in this setup like this. Very conservative fitment, so even the front should be good to go with no spacers. 235, 40, 18s lower, and even on stock suspension, you're good to go. So if you're interested, be sure to head up 1552. Look, I love the center lock look, but the fitment for me is not aggressive enough. Just personal taste, but ready to go. I'm gonna take the spacers off on the other side. Well, let me just show you the other side. Like, I love this fitment. If these were 9.5s, I think it would be point on. But you know, still look pretty sick. More rally look. Actually, I love this side. Wow, this side is just beautiful. Look at that fitment. Damn. You know, I'm about being fitment, you know, so. But if I add some camber, probably -5, I could probably run these. They look pretty sick. Which I might consider doing. But in the meantime, I gotta take this off again. Not looking forward for that because it's hot as but I'm gonna take these off and enjoy the cinematic. All right, guys, so we end up putting the spacers on both sides, even though it's gonna rub. Oh my God, sorry. The reason why, because it was so sunken that personally for me, I don't like it. I'd rather rub than make it looking like a little weak, you know? But yeah, you can, I'm gonna also hit up ISC suspensions because they have the lower control arms. So once I get the lower control arms, I can do a little more camber. As you can see already up close, there's some tire shaving already from me doing a test drive, but it's okay, you know? It's part of the Fitment life, guys. Oh, what the heck? So if you know, you know, you know? But it's okay. So far, looks really good. Has a rally look now. Kind of reminds me of like an EVO 8, EVO 9. But, you know, it looks pretty sick. I like it. I'm gonna take it to the show this Sunday and hopefully get some reacts what people think about the current setup. And then that's it for this week's episode. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the short cinematic and see you guys next week.